Hi, in this video I want to talk about marks in Neovim. So what are marks? Marks are stored positions in the file or buffer that one can jump back to at any point. So if I hit M and A, I have created a mark for this particular function, right? Now if I'm in a different part of this file and I am making an update here, and I want to get back to that particular mark I created, so I would use a single quote A, takes me back to that line. If I want to go back to the exact row and column I created the mark with, I would use backtick and the register later. So in my case, that's backtick A. It takes me to the exact row and column where the marks would register. Now you can see a list of registered marks by running the marks command, and so you can see here I have A, which is the register key, and then it points to this particular function. If I'm in a different file and I try to head back to that particular mark with single quote A, so I get mark no set because that particular mark is only available to that buffer. If I want to create this as a global mark, I would instead use an uppercase letter when I hit the M key. So M uppercase A would register a global mark. So if I'm in a different file and I do single quote A, I go back to the line. Or if I am in the other file and I do backtick A, I get to the exact row on column. If you have Telescope installed, you can also run Telescope and then run marks, and then you can see available marks that are in that file, and you can navigate them and get a preview of it. The other interesting thing about marks is they survive the session. So if I exit Neovim and I relaunch it and I go back to that particular file and I go single quote A, it still remembers my saved mark. Marks are really interesting. They come in handy in editing files in Neovim. It's one feature I really enjoy using, and I hope you do check it out. So that'll be all for now. Thank you.